Have you ever stared at a giant Excel sheet full of numbers and thought, there's got to be a better way to make sense of all this data? Well, there is, and that's what Tableau is all about. Hey everyone, welcome to the DataLogix Club's Tableau Learning Series. And in this very first episode, we are exploring one of the most powerful and beginner friendly tools in the data world, Tableau. Whether you are a student, a budding data analyst, or just someone curious about how data turns into decisions, this video is perfect starting point. So, what exactly is Tableau? In simple terms, Tableau is a data visualization and analytics software that helps you see and understand your data. Instead of scrolling through endless rows and columns in Excel, Tableau lets you turn that raw data into interactive charts, dashboard, and maps in just a few clicks. It's used by top companies like Deloitte, Amazon, and Airbnb to make data-driven decisions faster and smarter. And the best part, you don't need to be a coder or a data scientist to use it. If you drag, drop, and think visually, you can start using Tableau right away. Let's quickly explore what Tableau looks like. When you open Tableau, the first screen you will see is a start page. In this page, you will see many things. First one is connecting to a file. This section on your start page indicates where you can connect to your data files saved on your computer. If you download, make, or have a data set in an Excel file, CSV file, or more, this is where you can bring in your data sources you want to use. Second is connecting to a server. You usually use this section if you are working for a company that uses specific servers. Tableau can connect to multiple different servers such as Oracle, Azure, Dropbox, and more. Third is saved data sources. These are sample data sets that Tableau provides. When you download the software, Tableau also provides you a repository folder which also holds these clean sample data sets as Excel files. When you click the samples, they will automatically load without you needing to find the files. Fourth, open a workbook. This area is where you can find recent workbooks opened and quickly load them in if you want to work on them. Fifth, sample workbooks. This section provides you with sample workbooks that you can open to play around in and see how they were built. Clicking on more samples will lead you to a gallery of downloadable sample workbooks. And last, discover. The discover sidebar provides you with links to the Tableau training videos, blogs, forums, and Tableau prep, a data cleaning and prepping software. Now, let's take a look at a Tableau interface. First one is workbook name. A Tableau workbook is similar to a Microsoft Excel workbook. It can contain one or more worksheets and hold all your work. You can save it and share it just like any other file. When you open Tableau, a blank workbook is automatically created. Second, cards and shells. Drag field to the cards and shells in the workspace to add data to your view. By placing fields on shelves or cards, you build a structure for your visualization. Third is toolbar. Use the toolbar to access commands and analysis and navigation tools. Fourth is view. The view is the canvas in the workspace where you can create a visualization. The finished visualization may include charts, graphs, maps, and more. Fifth is the icon takes you to the start page where you can connect to data. Sixth is the sidebar. In a worksheet, the sidebar contains the data pane and the analytics pane. You can expand and collapse the sidebar if you want. Seventh, the tab takes you to the data source page where you can view your data. Eighth is the status bar. The status bar displays information about the current view and description of menu items. Ninth is sheet tabs. Tabs represent each sheet in your workbook. This includes a worksheet, dashboard, or story. So, That was your first look at Tableau, a tool that turns data into understanding. We learned what Tableau is, took a quick tour of the interface, and even saw how the start page looks in a Tableau. In the next episode of DataLogix Club's Tableau Learning series, we will go one step further in connecting data and understanding data types. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to DataLogix Club, and drop a comment on what you would like us to cover next. Until then, keep exploring, keep analyzing, and keep visualizing your data.